In today's digital world, digital signage software providers have made the industry highly fragmented. This has become a challenge for creative professionals, organizations, and individuals at every level. Novice users and professional designers don't need a manual to create compelling projects. It has to include all the features that support the creative vision of marketers and program directors. And it needs to be easy to manage so that partners and enterprises can focus on things that really matter, such as growth. That's why 22Miles created Publisher Pro to bridge the gaps so that users won't have to. Industry leaders agree the Publisher Pro is a rich platform for creating, editing, and maintaining highly effective media for any digital application such as room booking, event and directory boards, interactive donor or wayfinding displays, self-service kiosks, video walls, info boards, dynamic mobile apps, and more. Publisher Pro is made for people who don't know where to get started with digital signage, but also don't want their capabilities to be limited. We found that users everywhere just want digital signage to be simple. So we created a familiar interface that allows you to do anything from scheduling a slideshow to launching a multi-location wayfinding project. If you can use PowerPoint, then you can create compelling digital signage, no matter the audience. In fact, Publisher Pro can create content for any digital device, from mobile apps to desktop widgets. With the intuitive drag-and-drop editing tools of Publisher Pro, anyone can now create a dynamic mobile app experience to stand alone as its own application, tie into an existing digital solution, or strengthen the omni-channel experience. Cross-platform capabilities come native to Publisher Pro, which means all mobile content can share information with other forms of digital signage, such as video walls, communication displays, room boards, tablets, and more, so that users can see their contributions appear on the big screen. Take the solution one step closer to a virtual experience and integrate beacon technology for real-time blue dot indoor positioning or notifications. We believe that creating a visual communication platform should be intuitive and that there is no degree of customization which is out of reach. We designed Publisher Pro so that partners and end users can mix and match features across all types of hardware. Since 2008, 22Miles has developed a wayfinding editor unlike any other in the world. Publisher Pro features the only wayfinding software solution with 100% complete editing control of your property's floor plans, destinations, and directions. Using the built-in map editor, anyone can easily create beautiful pinch and zoom, three-dimensional, multi-building, and multi-floor wayfinding maps. With this comprehensive system, it's easy to streamline instant access to valuable live data sources, bring real-time data and news feeds into any layout or interactive experience. To further highlight the value-added, unmatched solution of Publisher Pro, let's look into the built-in tool chest loaded with digital media widgets and features. News and RSS tickers, drag-and-drop media widgets, social media, weather, date and time, live TV and streaming video, HTML, web, slideshows, rotating banners and backgrounds, interactive banners, screensavers, feedback and surveys, countdown timers, multi-language support, built-in feeds, third-party data support, video calling, virtual receptionist. To sum it all up, this is why top corporations and organizations are turning to 22Miles for digital to interactive to wayfinding to mobile applications. It's easy to use, it's customizable, and it's easy to manage. Best part of all, it's an all-in-one visual communications platform.